Hi, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be discussing the previous year question paper. Understanding past papers is key to scoring well as it helps you identifying important topic, questions, patterns and the best way to approach answers. Stay tuned till the end for useful insights and tips. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such informative content. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Watch till end for question papers and do subscribe for new question papers on my channel. So we start with the physics question paper of the year 2025, which was conducted in the March month. This is exam 1 question paper, as they are conducting 3 examinations. This is the first exam question paper. Let's start with the questions. I will also discuss the all answers of each and every questions in this video. So be till the end and watch and verify your answers, what you have written and which keywords are missing to judge your results or marks. So start with the video. So the first question they ask, pick the correct option among the 4 given options for all the following questions. Means for all the following questions, pick the correct answer or choose the correct answer. They ask, a point charge Q1 exerts a force F1 on another point charge Q2 when placed at a point distance. These are all the questions. I will discuss all the answers also. Just I will read the questions now at the beginning. Then I will also discuss the answers related to each and every question. Exponential surface for an isolated point charge dash in shape. The resistivity of a metal wire depends on its area of cross section, B length, material, and D volume. So these are all questions they ask. Just read the questions by own, so I can tell the answer directly. The net magnetic flux through any closed surface is 0. This law is called. Coming to the next question, consider the following statements. Among the statements, which statements are correct among the above 2 statements? Both statements are true, both statements are false. You have to choose any of the one question, one answer among this. Coming to the variation of the voltage and current through a AC circuit, which with time is shown in a figure. This type of they have asked the questions. Transformer crosses are usually limited. This is reduced energy loss due to. And this type of they have asked the question. Ampere Maxwell law in a written as symbol. Final image of the real object formed by a compound microscope is dash with respect to the object. Which one of the following statement is wrong about inference of light? A ball is dropped from a certain height and it falls freely under gravity during the fall of the de Broglie wavelength associated with it. The Rutherford alpha ray scattering experiment, alpha particles of specific energy are projected towards a thin gold foil. In the impact parameter for the alpha particles is 0. The angle of scattering is. This type of paper asked the 15 MCQs. So you should be perfect with all MCQs and you have to do each and every point correctly. So now I will just scroll the question paper and you can watch the answers at the end of the video, and please check the question paper with your answers, what you have written in the examination which was conducted in the March, so you can verify your answers with the my answer keys what I have prepared. And if this video is informative, please help and do subscribe, share and like. Please share with your friends this video because this video consists of answer keys. Now just I will scroll the paper to show you the answers. Now the answers you can see. Coming to the answers part, see how they have written the answers. I will start with the MCQ questions here. So the first answer is D, does not change, and the second option is spherical. The third option is material, and the fourth option you can see answer the option number B. And coming to the fifth question, Gauss law in magnetism is the correct answer. And coming to the sixth question, answer A. Option number A is the correct answer. Both statements are true. And coming to the seventh, option number D is correct. Coming to the eighth question, C is correct. Eddy currents. Coming to the ninth question, answer number or option number A is correct. Coming to the 10th question, answer virtual, inverted and magnified. Option number D is correct. Coming to the 11th question, option number A is correct. Coming to the 12th question, option number B is correct. Coming to the 13th question, answer theta is equals to 180 degree. Option number C is correct. Coming to the 14th, option number D is correct, stability. Coming to the 15th question, option number B, 1.1 electrovolt is correct. Electron volt is correct. And coming to the 1 marks question, which is fill in the blanks. And electric dipole, and the answer torque is correct. Coming to the 17th, dynamic is correct. Paramagnetic, 18th one is correct. 19th one, transverse. 20, instantaneous. Coming to the 2 marks questions, as you can see, this is above is highlighted in the bold is bold format is question, and the below is the answer. How they have written 1 and 1 marks they have distributed for each point, means for each statement they have given 1 marks, and here also 1 plus 1 marks means they have written 4 points. So for 2 marks you have to write 4 points, means 2 points are for half marks and another 2 points are for half marks. A single point consists of half marks, so total will be 2 marks. So for formula 1 marks for the 23rd question and 1 marks for writing the specifications of the formula or terms which consist. Go to the 24th, again 2 marks. The polarity of input is EMF such that hence produces current opposite the current change in magnetic flux that produces. Just I will go on reading. And the 25th question, again 2 marks. And coming to the 26th question, again 2 marks they have given. See they have given 1 marks for formula and 1 marks for writing the statement. Coming to question number 27, mention the condition for total internal reflection. 1 mark for each point A and B. Coming to the numerical, as they have given again 1 marks distribution for writing above given and the formula, and solving consists of again 1 marks, and final answer consists of total it is for 2 marks, and the marks distribution is like half marks for each step what you solve. Coming to the 3 marks question, mention the properties of fields. Here they have mentioned any 3. If you write, you will get the 3 marks. Here they have given 5 points, so you can write maximum 4 points and you can score the marks. Here derive the expression for the equivalent capacitor. See how they are given for the particular schematic picture of the capacitors, how they are connected, and for the writing all that part and solving it step by step they have given 1 marks. And here 31st question, explain with a circuit diagram how a galvanometer can be converted into voltmeter. This type of questions are repeatedly they are asking. Conversion of galvanometer to ammeter, ammeter to galvanometer, this type of question you should do. They ask it for 3 marks. See the marks distribution, and here one question is also there, so do it also. First I have shown you the question paper, so relating to that questions you can observe the answers. So I showed the question paper at the starting, and my request to all students to please subscribe to the channel, because I will bring such informative videos for you with the answers. I am not just only showing the question paper, but I have also discussed the answers with you. So please subscribe and support to the channel, and please share this video with your friends so they can understand how much they have written and what are the key points they should write in the exam to score and also to pass. See how they have written, and this is again numerical distribution of 3 marks for each step. This is the 35th question, state postulates. Here they have written 3 postulates, which are all are necessary. Means any one you have to write as they have given here or option. Means one is for 1 marks. In total they have written 3 postulates, so 3 marks. And write any 3 properties of nuclear force. Any other correct answer should be considered. 1 plus 1 plus 1. Total marks distribution. Coming to the question number 37, which answer any 3 of the following. 3 by 15 means each question is for 5 marks. See the diagram. Diagram is for 1 marks, and above writing the statements and all. And 1 marks for each formula and substitutions wherever it is necessary, and terms. And coming to the 38th question, arrive. Here they should derive. They have given arrive at the condition for the balance. Derive at the condition of balance of a whetstone network using Kirchhoff rules. So diagram should be must. Diagram is for 1 marks, and all the equations for considering all conditions totally for 5 marks. Just see that. And here again derivations, diagram is for 1 marks, and all the equations and writing part is all of 4 marks. So 1 plus 5 is equal 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. And here is the different state hygiene's principle. Here it is of 1 marks for diagram and above statements what we have written, and another marks 3 marks are for all equations. And what is rectifier? Diagram and waveforms are for 2 marks, and definition is for 1 marks, and writing working principle and below statement is for 2 marks, means total 5 marks. And this is a numerical. They ask for 5 marks. Writing given and all substitution formula 1 marks, and solving for particular condition again 3 marks, and for the final answer they have given 1 marks. So it is for total 5 marks. This also same. And alternate method also they have given. You can solve with the alternate method also if you know in the examination. Again for there is numericals. So just see the numericals, how they are solved in systematic way and what step, and please check your answers what you have solved in the examination with this. If the answer is same, you will get the full marks, because main thing they will check the answer first, and then afterwards they will go for your steps for giving the marks. If your answer is wrong, they will give you the marks for the steps. And this is the last question, which is for visually impaired students. 7 last question. The part is not for you, it is for visually impaired or disabled students. Thank you for watching this video till the end. All the best for your results, and be prepared for upcoming exams. Thank you one and all. Please subscribe, share my video with your friends. Thank you for watching till end.